Hi friends, this is Selvijang here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today let us discuss how to troubleshoot and debug the EIGRP routing issues. So here I connected R1 and R2. Both are connected means of serial interfaces. The IP is 1.1 and 1.2. So both should reside in the same subnet. And to R1 and R2 I connected two different hosts, right? To R1 I connected two hosts, PC1 and PC2. One is 10.2 and 20.2. So both are in the different subnet. Similarly to R2, 30.2 and 40.2. So the issue is from PC1 I am not able to reach PC3. So we have to go and check the troubleshooting. So now let us go to R1 and let us check the directly connected interfaces. Show IP interface brief. So let us check the directly connected interface. There are three interfaces, right? So one is fast Ethernet, and the serial interface. So all these interfaces are showing up, right? Serial interface 1.1 and the corresponding gateway for PC1 and PC2 all are up. Similar way, let us check to R2. So R2 also we are able to see the directly connected interface are up, right? That is serial 20 is up. And this is the gateway for PC4 and PC3. So all the interfaces are up. So the second step, what I have to do, I have to check the routing table. So how to check? Show IP route. So IP route shows the directly connected interfaces, right? These are the directly connected interfaces. So that is 1.0 and 10.0 and 20.0. So all the interfaces are up, and this is the remote subnet which is learned via EIGRP. So I configure the EIGRP. So it is learned via EIGRP, that is also up. But only one subnet is not getting advertised, that is 40.0. We are not able to see this subnet advertised in the R1 routing table. So we need to debug the routing issues, right? So how to fix it? Let us check the route map statement and the access list. So I configured a route map. The permit sequence number is 10 and the match IP address is hello. And let us check this access list, right? So it is matching this access list. So second step, let us check the access list. Show IP access list. We are able to see, right? So it is permitting the directly connected interface, that is 1.serial interface, and it is permitting 10, 20 and 30. So remaining subnet it will deny. So that means the subnet 40 is missing. So that is the main reason what happened. The 30 it is not allowing me to ping from PC1 to reaching PC3. So these are the possible reasons why the access list is blocking the specific subnet or the specific host. So that we have to figure out always. So this is the thing I configured over here. Let us go to the show running configuration. So I'm going to show how to I have configured the route map and how I mapped the access list, right? So how to create it? First I have created the route map statement. Route map name permit 10 match IP addresses hello, any name you can give. So then I have created a standard access list, IP access list standard. Then I map this access list name hello. Then I have defined this permit statement. So I have defined the directly connected IP address and all the three subnet, and the remaining subnet will be denied. So that is the main reason it is denying this IP, that is 40.2, right? That is the reason it is denying this IP, and that is the main reason I'm not able to ping from PC1 to PC3. So how to rectify this issue? And this access list again I have mapped in the distribute list. You are able to see, right, in EIGRP. So that is the reason it's blocking distribute list, and the route map, that is a route map name map1. So already this route map I mapped already this standard access list. So now we can also map the route map to the distribute list. So distribute list nothing but a sequence of access list. So distribute list route map on in and out, that is for inbound and the outbound traffic. So how we can rectify? How I can now allow the access list? How to do that? Go to configuration mode. So IP access list standard hello. That is the IP list name, right? So now let us permit the IP. So how to permit and the following subnet, right? That is 172.16.30.0 followed by 0.0.0.255. So now let us check. I have allowed the access list. So now let us check the IP routing table. We are able to see the subnet 40, right? So let us check this. And also let us check the access list. Show IP access list. So what we can do, let us remove the deny statement. IP access list still is not allowing, right? So IP access list standard hello. So let us check the deny. Let us remove the deny any. So then now let us permit the statement. Permit 172.16.30.0 followed by 0.0.0.255. And let us save this configuration. Now let us check the access list. So now let us check whether it is allowing or not. So 10, 20, 30, and what are the access? So I have to allow 40 also, right? So go to the access list configuration again. So permit IP is 172.16.40.0 followed by 0.0255. So now let us check it. So now I allowed 10, 20, 30 and 40. All the subnet I allowed. Now let us check the routing table, right? Show IP route. Yeah, now we are able to see the neighbor is coming up. So now we are see all the subnets are getting advertised. So that is the main thing you have to do. Either you have to do the remove the DNS statement, or I have to add the access list. 170.40.0 I already allowed. So now we are able to see the subnet, that is 40.0 is getting advertised in the routing table. And now I can able to ping from PC1 to PC4, right? So let us check the IP address now. So now I'm able to reach the PC1 to PC3 and PC4 IP address. Let us check the PC3 also 30.2. So now I'm able to reach from PC1 to PC3 and PC4. So now everything is working fine. So this is how you can always go and troubleshoot the EIGRP routing issues. So first you have to check the EIGRP neighbors, then the directly connected interfaces and the corresponding routing table. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.